What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Grim Workshop monthly subscription for September of 2022. For $20 a month, they'll send you EDC gear that's usually in a small kind of flat form factor like a credit card, dog tag style tools. And these aren't meant to replace the normal size gear. They're just kind of meant to be that tool that you have on you, an easy way to carry it. So, you're going on a hike and you're not planning on fishing, but you want to take some fishing gear in case of emergency. It'll have fishing hooks and line tools and that sort of thing, and a lot of different really cool tools from them. So fun subscription, but again, keep in mind it's not supposed to replace the full-size version of these tools. But today I'm opening up with the Rive Knives Rogue Mini, which came from the Going Gear subscription. Recently did a video on that. If you're interested in checking that out, I'll put a link up in the corner. But let's go ahead and dive in. So first up is the content list. Feel free to pause there if you'd like some spoilers, but if not, I'm just gonna kind of go through them as I pull them out and I'll read off what's on the card. So first up is the Grim Gig dog tag, and so this is listed as $9.50. The new Gig dog tag includes several useful items into one single dog tag size kit. The new Gig dog tag includes a gig point for fishing, a double-sided fishing hook, as well as an arrow point. This new setup uses the entire surface of the dog tag to create several useful tools. So it looks like this is a new tool, and it has I forget what this little band is called, but to keep it from jingling around, so you can use that on multiple of the dog tag tools if you have them next to each other, and it'll kind of lock them all into place. So cool new tool there. Up next, we have one of their full-size bushcraft cards. So Grimm's Bushcraft card is one of our most popular cards. This version also includes a few improvements, including the addition of 2 suture needles to its design, utilizing some wasted space that some view our members brought to our attention. The Bushcraft card also includes a sawback knife, fishing hooks in multiple sizes, and arrowhead. So a bunch of really small tools on here. Again, there's a small knife, some suture needles, as well as different size fishing hooks and 2 different arrowheads. So that's going to be our main item, listed at $19.99. And it looks like we just have the tip cards from here, I believe. So we have 2 different tip cards, How to Dress a Bird. Again, these are going to be double-sided tip cards. Eventually you'll get kind of the full deck. They have actually multiple decks. Sorry, my dog's making a bunch of noise in the background. Multiple decks, but you'll eventually get all of them through the subscription, or you can buy them as a set or individually for $1.85. The next one is knot tying, so a super helpful one. Alpine butterfly bend, as well as the double overhand stopper knot. So that one's definitely a really useful one. And then last but not least is the Spool Card, which they do not include on the pricing, but you can use. It's just a regular business card, but you can use it to run line around. There's a little perforated section here to pop out this hole, so you can kind of run it through there to stop it, and just a nice handy double use item. Now they also include a coupon code. This time the code is MAG, buy one get one free of the magnesium dog tag. So this month you can grab buy one get one free magnesium dog tags, scrape a small pile of magnesium, and expose to a ferrocerium rod spark to get a super hot ignition to help get your tinder lit. This tool pairs great with their Hot Shot dog tag. Use code MAG, again that's M-A-G, at checkout. Be sure to add 2 magnesium dog tags to receive the discount and get one of them for free. So super cool month this month. Again, your main item is going to be that kind of bushcraft card, which they don't include a lot of the time. A lot of the times you're getting a lot of double the smaller items or newer items, random items. So you don't get a ton of their bushcraft cards. They have a whole series of different survival experts and people that have done the show alone, and a bunch of these different ones, but you don't get a ton of them in the subscription. I think I only have gotten 1 or 2 others as long as I've been subscribed, which isn't super long, but long enough that I know it's not a super common one. So cool month this month. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, hope you have a great one. Take care.